Good afternoon. I hope everybody is well. Now, I can't believe it, but we have another little kit here. I couldn't help myself. I was making my Christmas journals yesterday and I felt like I needed some Christmas postcards in them. So these ones Steffi designed. There's 4 to a page, so it's 4-page kit, all postcard sort of size, and Christmas, of course, because that's what we're up to. So there's this one. You can see in this one. Sorry, I printed them on 120 GSM sort of presentation paper, and I really love them. And then there's these ones here and these. So super fun. And I'm making some little staggered books, not that one, and I put them even on the covers of them as well. So I think they're super cute. And these are not finished yet, but that's what I'm working on. And I also put them in the journals that I've made as journaling cards. So very quick video just to show you those. The link will be in the description box along with the discount code. And I hope you're having a great weekend, and thank you for watching. Bye.